James Cameron is currently at work on 4 sequels to Avatar, with the first one scheduled for release in 2021. While that still may seem far away, Cameron and company started rolling cameras for Avatar 2 back on September 25, 2017. Here, everything you need to know about Avatar sequel effort. Avatar 2 news. James Cameron previously teased that water would play a big role in Avatar 2 and the sequels going forward, and he wasn't kidding. The new concept art that Cameron and Disney have released looks like a cross between every Bahamas tourist video you've ever seen and, well, the Avatar ride at Disney World. Combine it promises a whole new watery world for Cameron to explore, plus deepers new habitats. The final image even includes a volcano. If you are a fan of Cameron's three Avatar films, including The Abyss and Titanic, then you know if you give this man a watery setting that he will come back with something massive. Just consider that one image saw Jack Sully riding what is our first Pandorian sea creature, and right now we are only looking at the surface. Avatar 2 release date. Avatar 2 was expected to arrive on December 18, 2020, but now that Disney is in control of the franchise, they have announced a new release date for the sequel and all the other planned Avatar sequels. Avatar 2 arrives on December 17, 2021. Avatar 3, 4, and 5 are slated to premiere in 2023, 2025, and 2027 respectively. Avatar 2 cast. Sam Worthington and Zoe Saldana, who starred together in the original movie, respectively as Jack Sully and Neytiri, return for all 4 of the sequels. Saldana officially wrapped her reprisal for both Avatar 2 and Avatar 3 back in June 2018. That tidbit came from James Cameron himself, who made the reveal in a video presentation that played for an audience at this week's Cine Europe Film Expo in Barcelona. Interestingly, Cameron, ever the hype man, says that the Avatar sequels are beyond even our expectations, also providing what could be perceived as a plot twist. Cameron, standing in front of a giant water tank, divulges that water plays a huge part in the Avatar sequels, promising a shift in setting to never-before-seen parts of Pandora. In what could be considered an additional hint, he muses about the fact that cast member Kate Winslet can hold her breath underwater for 7 minutes. While there is a Titanic door joke there somewhere, this does give us a slight peek into where Winslet's character Ronald will spend time. Michelle Yeoh was officially announced for a role in the Avatar sequels as scientist Dr. Kalina Mogyu, already a Hong Kong action icon when she co-starred with Pierce Brosnan in 1997 James Bond effort Tomorrow Never Dies. Yeoh gained international acclaim for her sword-swinging, tree-hopping role in 2000's Oscars-arriving Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. Vin Diesel, international megastar of the Fast and Furious film franchise and the upcoming Valiant Comics film adaptation Bloodshot, is apparently set for a mystery role. Kate Winslet, for an unspecified role, reuniting with the actress with her Titanic director James Cameron. At this point, it is unknown how far down the line of the Avatar franchise sequels will appear. Stephen Lang, who played the bellicose Colonel Miles Quaritch in the first Avatar, is said to have also signed on as a recurring antagonist in the fantasy franchise. Pretty impressive since he died the last time around. Sigourney Weaver appears to be returning in the sequels, despite her character very much kicking the bucket in the first film that seemed to be a recurring issue on Pandora. The main claimant will play Dr. Garvin, a marine biologist on Pandora. This is a major tenfold nod for the famed Kiwi comedian, known as one half of Flight of the Conchords and an actor in films such as What We Do in Shadows. Eddie Falco will play General Ardmore, the commander in charge of the ADA's interests, as an official tweet recently revealed. Giovanni Ribisi will reprise his original Avatar role as the recalcitrant bureaucrat Parker Selfridge for all 4 sequels. Selfridge was the head administrator of the RDA, Resources Development Administration, charged with mining unobtainium on the last Na'vi-inhabiting planet of Pandora. Oina Cheflin joins the quartet of Avatar sequels to play Farang, a new central character set for all 4 sequels, who is described as strong and vibrant. The former Game of Thrones actress Cheflin was the second new face in the franchise after the May 2017 acquisition of Fear the Walking Dead star Cliff Curtis. Cliff Curtis joined the cast of the upcoming sequels to Avatar. He will play Tonowari, a leader of the Reef People clan known as the Metkayina. This lined up with director James Cameron saying many times that a great deal of the sequels would take place in and around the planet Pandora's oceans. Brendan Cowell will play Mike Scoresby, described as captain of a large-scale marine hunting vessel on Pandora. Matt Geralt, reprising his original Avatar role as Corporal Lyle Winefleet. The sequels will also have many fresh faces amongst its cast. Meet the new generation. What are you looking at here? No, it is not the case of the latest Disney Channel original TV series. From left to right, Jack Champion, Trinity Bliss, Wiley Bass, Jamie Flatters, Brittany Dalton, Philip Gilju, Dwayne Evans Jr. If that was a bit confusing, story-wise, here is what this photo tells us. The Sulis will have 3 children, Nathan, Lo'ak, and Taktirei. The following kids hail from the Metkayina clan. Sirea. She is a graceful and strong free diver considered the young Neytiri of the ocean. Aunung, a young male hunter and free diver. And Rothko, another young male hunter and free diver. When we have former Hell's Gate adolescent, aka Xavier Spider Sokolov, he is described as a human teenager born at Hell's Gate but prepares his time in the Pandoran rainforest more than the asphalt of Hell's Gate. Basically, Jack Sully the next generation. The young star recently visited the Pandora's The World of Avatar attraction at Disney's Animal Kingdom to get inspired for their blue screen centric rules. Avatar 2 production. At Barcelona's 2017 Science Europe Expo, John Landau of Lightstorm Entertainment made the official announcement confirming that the 4 Avatar sequel films, revealing its September 25, 2017 production launch. Landau also touched upon the oft-discussed decade-long delay for the first Avatar sequel, explaining the difficulties in crafting a solid foundation for the 4 script. With that, he also explained the focus of the sequels, explaining how each one will carry a unique note. As Landau stated, at the heart of any movie are the characters. One of the strengths of great script are always the universal and relatable themes. There is no more relatable themes than family. At the center of each of our 4 movies will be the Sully family. Each sequel will play as a standalone movie. Each movie's story will come to its own conclusion. However, when looked at as a whole, the journey across all 4 movies will create an even larger connected epic saga for audiences around the world. While only one Avatar sequel would have been a tall order, 4 stands as a monumentally unprecedented cinematic endeavor. While the odds are not exactly in James Cameron's favor, it would be ill-advised to write him off. Avatar 2 story. Director James Cameron has remained fairly tight-lipped about his plans for the Avatar franchise, but has said that the storyline in the sequels really follows Jack and Neytiri and their children. It's more of a family saga about the struggle with the humans. He has also said he wants to introduce whole new worlds, habitats, and cultures. Additionally, a returning Sigourney Weaver had some words for variety about the Avatar sequel pages she's read. In my opinion, the 3 scripts I've read so far are many times more amazing than the first one in terms of their scope. He did a lot of the heavy lifting in the first movie, establishing the family and the relationships and the world and how he really gets to play. Avatar 2 crew. James Cameron hasn't been shy about his plans for the Avatar universe and has confirmed he will be back on board as director for the 4 planned sequels to his 2009 box office hit. The first film's script was credited to Cameron and Cameron alone, but he is said to have brought in a team of heavy hitters to work on the sequel's screenplays, including Josh Friedman, Rick Zappa, and Amanda Silver, and Shane Salerno. Avatar 2 technology. Never shy about pushing technical boundaries on his films, James Cameron has seemingly set himself a rather tall goal where Avatar 2 is confirmed. He voiced to seize back the initiative on 3D and potentially remove the need for special glasses. Picking up a gong at the Society of Motion Picture and Television Engineers, Cameron spoke briefly about the state of his many Avatar sequels and what his technical wishlist was. "I am going to push," he said, "not only for better tools, workflow, high dynamic range, and high frame rates, the things we are working toward. I'm still very bullish on 3D, but we need greater projection, and ultimately, I think it can happen with no glasses. We will get there."